Good day, good day, good day, good day, good day, my people. How's everybody is doing today? Okay, well today, you and I, we are going to travel together. Guess where we going? We going to Puerto Rico, okay? Where I'm gonna teach you how to make two snack food, or you could also pair them for dinner, which is tostones and arañitas, okay? They are both made with plantains, okay? And I'm gonna go ahead and teach you how to make good tostones where they're crispy outside but still tender, not dry, all right? Also, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, guys, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button right here, right here, right here, and that like button, and also the bell button that's gonna let you know every time I upload a video, which is every Friday and Sunday. All right, so from my kitchen to your kitchen, where everything's done with love, guys, with love. Let's get started. Okay, guys, so here we are. We're gonna make our tostones and arañitas today. So here we have 2 green plantains, okay? We have garlic powder, salt, black pepper, and we have aguayo, which we are going to use this side of the aguayo to grate the plantain. And we have a baking pan that we are going to be using. Okay, so let's get started. So here I am going to be peeling our plantains. As you can see, cut both of the ends. Then you are going to make a slit, like almost on the side, and try to peel it away with the knife. Be careful with this process, guys, especially if it's your first time messing with plantains, okay? So just take your time. Sometimes if you put it in warm water before you start peeling it, it works better, okay? So now we are going to grate one of the plantains, and we are going to use this for the arañitas, okay? It's an easy process, guys. So here I am seasoning with a little bit of salt, guys. Be careful with the salt because it's so easy to make it salty. I'm putting a little bit of garlic and a little bit of black pepper. And you could use whichever seasoning you like. You could play around, okay? So now we are massaging it together so the seasoning could blend in. And now we're gonna take it to the stove. So here I already formed one. Again, right now the fire is on medium low, guys. Medium low. You want them to cook slowly so the center could get cooked really good. All right. And I wetted my hands a little bit with water to form this. Some people they put oil on their hand. Whatever works for you, because it also depends how ripe, or if the plantain is a little bit ripe or green. Each plantain come out a little different, okay? So whatever could help you to form it, wetting your hand or using oil so it doesn't stick, okay? And here, as you can see, I lay them there very nice and slow. I don't drop them. You don't want to get burned, and you don't want them breaking up. And again, make sure your fire is on medium low. Okay, guys? And I promise you, these are very delicious. They could be snacks. They could be pair up, for dinner that you're cooking. But they're really, really good. We usually eat this with mild ketchup, or just eat them just like that. Okay, so I'm about to take these out, and we are going to go back to the cutting board. So here I'm cutting the next plantain. I like to cut them slanted like that because I feel it cooks better, especially in the center. You don't want to rush the process of cooking plantain and making tostones, okay? Because your middle will be raw. So here I'm adding a little bit of salt and a little bit of garlic and also hot water. When we fry the plantains the first time and we mash it, we are going to be dipping our plantains in this mixture. This is the trick for them to be tender inside. So here I have my fire again on medium low. I don't want them to cook too quickly in the outside and then a little bit raw. So you want to take your time. So I would say like every 30 seconds, you could go ahead and keep turning them. As you can see, this is the color you want. Look at how pretty that is. Nothing is burned, but it's cooked evenly. That's because we cooked it on medium low. You see how pretty are those, guys? That's what you want. So here I'm removing all my plantains. Look how pretty they are. We are halfway the mark. Okay. So now we are going to take it over to the counter and we are going to start mashing them. As you can see, they were cooked evenly. And now I'm gonna mash them. I usually have a tostonera. I don't know what happened to mine. I have to buy another one. So I had to use my mitten because they are hot. All right. And as I scrape them off the foil, I will add them to the water mixture that we prepare already. Okay. As you can see, this is what you want. Now we're gonna go to the stove. So here I have the fire on medium high. And gently, guys, very gently, you are going to start placing them in the oil. Do not drop them. Do not get burned, please. So here I am about to put some more in there after I made room for them. As you could see, I placed them very softly on there or you will get burned. Remember, they have water now, but I'm telling you that water makes miracle. Those tostones will be so tender inside but crispy in the outside, and that's what you want. That's what you want. Okay, look how pretty those tostones are coming along. So we're gonna remove them, and here is the final product, guys. That's our magic ketchup and our arañitas. Okay, so this is how you make tostones and arañita. And thank you very much for coming to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit like. Okay, until next time, thank you.